The speaker was very informative. He was energetic. It's like I can tell that he's very involved and he's real serious about what he's doing. And I got a lot of it. I got a lot out of it because he was very technical and he was very precise in all the topics and areas that he was teaching. And I came away with a lot of information that I'm probably going to share, with both of my kids when I leave here. I would say this is something that is very important and informative to students as well as the parents. I think it's like he said, there were some things that you probably never thought of that way until actually, he explained it and broke it down. So I think a lot of information that he gave, I think students will benefit from a lot of topics and issues and subjects that he taught. So I mean, for a principal to actually have him come, it'll be an excellent idea.